afternoon, everybody. Today is the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda and Jijabai. Today, 99% of mankind works like a slave. Swamiji tells us to work like a master, not like a slave. Work with freedom, work with love, and love never comes until there is freedom. There is no true love possible in a slave. If you buy a slave and tie him down in chains, he will work like a drudge for you, but there will be no love in him. Every act of love brings happiness. We all have heard charity begins at home. But how many of us actually apply to it? We curse our government, our motherland for each and everything. Swamiji have taught us, change yourself first and the whole world will change. If we are pure, the world becomes pure. We cannot see evil unless ourselves are evil. We cannot be miserable unless we are weak. Even a little thought within us destroys all virtues. Just as when even a little of curd falls in the milk, it curdles it completely. So was our great Swamiji. Today, even our Mother Earth is suffering from corruption, global warming, deforestation, pollution, poverty, etc. Who is responsible for this? We all human beings. All continents on the earth are the souls of the Mother Earth. They all are one. But the disputes amongst us causes a harm to our mother. Swamiji was not only of India, was of the whole world. He prayed for the prosperity of all nations on the earth. He loved Mother Earth from his soul. If all people start following the principles of Swami Vivekananda, still our Mother Earth can be saved. It is good to have importance of your family in the world, but it's more important to look upon the world as your family. After all, Vasudeva Kutumbakam, the whole world is a family. So now take a oath to follow the teachings of Swami Vivekananda. Plant a tree, give birth to a new and green Mother Earth. Sisters and brothers of India, yes, behave like sisters and brothers of India and not enemies. Help the needy and don't be greedy. Don't cut trees. Don't be part of corruption. Stop pollution and hope for better one. So, in this way, you can save your Mother Earth. And if you do so, Swami is the sitting up high in the sky, sitting up and praying for us. He is not there with us, his physically appearance, but by soul attached to us. He is there in the smile of every poor. So now I would like to conclude my topic by paying a great tribute to Swami Vivekananda and saying a shruti granted by him. Walk on fire, fly in the air. I am here, why do you fear? Make it clear and be with a cheer. Just like Swamiji, there was a lady who taught women to fight for their rights. A fearless, confident, courageous, and embodiment of self respect and virtue, the kingmaker, a great Jijamata. Jijabai was an influential figure in the medieval period of Indian history. She was born on January 12, 1598, in Sindhkhet, Maharashtra, in a family of the Yadav dynasty of Devagiri. Her mother was Malsa Bai and father Lakhoji Jadav Rao, who was a Hindu chieftain and a general in Nizam Shah's army stationed in Ahmednagar. Jijamata was very much interested in the welfare of her kingdom. She used to take an active interest in every socio-political affairs and would give her decision on major issues. She also inspired her father and husband to give up serving Mughals and establish an independent state. She just wanted to drive away the invaders from Maharashtra and build a Maratha empire. During those days, there was some misunderstanding between the clans of Marathas, the Jadav and Bhosles. Her advice helped her father resolve the differences and unite both the clans. It was she who told her father that if Marathas unite and leave aside personal ego and agreed, it would take no time to vanquish the invaders. She had two sons, Sambhaji Maharaj and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji was the elder son who would accompany his father on various expeditions. Shivaji, being the younger, stayed with his mother. She is said to have been not only Shivaji's mother but also his friend and mentor, and his entire life was full of courage and sacrifice. At the same time, she faced difficulties and adversities throughout her life, but did not lose patience and taught her son Shivaji to remain dedicated to social welfare. Thank you.
Jizabai was Shahaji Raje's wife and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's mother. She was the queen and Rajmata too. She molded him into an ideal ruler by showing seeds of devotion to the nation and dharma. She was not only a mother to Shivaji but also a source of inspiration. She had a strong faith that she was blessed by goddess Bhavani and Mahadev. She strongly believed that our efforts bring success to our doorstep only with the grace of God. Entire Hindu community is grateful to God for having set an example before us in the form of Rajmata Jizabai. Jizabai was born to Lakhoji Raje Jadhav in Sindhkhet territory of Vidarbha, Maharashtra in the year 1598 AD. She was affectionately called as Jiu. Lakhoji Raje Jadhav was a Yadava, traditionally the rules of Devgiri. So, Jizabai was actually the princess of Devgiri. But Lakhoji Raje, along with his three sons, accepted to be chieftains in the Sultan's military. This was something that irked Jizabai. Barely 12 days after witnessing the golden moment of Shivaji's coronation, Jizabai breathed her last in Pachgad at 1674. She devoted her entire life for Swaraj. Obeisance to God for setting a personified example of what an ideal Hindu woman should be like in the form of Rajmata Jizabai. Jizamata had multifaceted qualities like intense yearning, faith, determination, patience, sense of respect towards her dharma, selflessness, warrior attitude, broad-mindedness, fearlessness, leadership, courage, war strategies, sacrificing attitude as well as desire for victory. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Antara Ravindra Shinde from Chembur, Karnataka High School, studying in standard 5th. Today Veer Mata Jizabai Bhosle's birthday and I am going to speak few lines about her. Get them 3 times. स्वराज्याचा जिने घडविला विधाता, धन्य ती स्वराज्याची जननी जिजामाता. Jizabai was born on 12 January in 1598 to Mahesabai Jadhav and Lakhoji Jadhav of Deulgaon near Sindhkhet. Jizabai was married at an early age to Shahaji Raje Bhosle. He was brave and capable man. Jizabai was no ordinary woman. She had inherited the knowledge of politics and welfare from her infancy. Jizabai was praying to the god for son. Her prayer was answered and Jizabai gave birth to the son Shivaji Maharaj. He used to tell him stories of many pious persons and sons that instilled in him respect and honor for all great men. She was bringing up Shivaji Maharaj with that idol. Shivaji Maharaj took the oath of Swarajya. Jijabai's dream was fulfilled when Shivaji Maharaj's coronation took place in 1674. Her 30-year efforts had last borne fruit. A short while after coronation, on 17 June in 1674, Ma Sahib passed away in the village of Pachad at the foot of Fort Raigad. Jijabai Bhosle was true guide and guru in Shivaji Maharaj's life. She was undoubtedly a great woman, a strong mother, and a role model for today's women. Veer Mata Jijabai is a real inspiration for all of us. अंगणातली तुळस, गोट्यातली गाय आणि घरातली माय ह्यांच्यावर जर कोणी वाकडी नजर टाकली तर त्याची गय केली जाणार नाही. थँक्यू.
My name is Shraddha Ushlappa Bajdar, class 11th. Jijabai was the mother of Shivaji, the legendary Maratha king and warrior who stood strong against the rivaling Mughal empire. Jijabai was born in 1594 in the town of Sindikhed in Maharashtra. Father was an eminent Maratha, Sardar and nobleman named Lakuji Jadhav Rao, while her mother was Malasha Bahi. Jijabai was known to be influential and determined woman who was an embodiment of self-respect and foresight. Jijabai was herself an able warrior and administrator. She passed down equality traits to the growing Shivaji, affectionately known as Rajmata. Jijabai died soon after a few days, following Shivaji's coronation in the village of Pachad at the foot of Fort Raigad. Thank you.
Hello, I am Vedika Gupta from 11th Science. I could like to say few lines on Jijabai. Jijabai was no ordinary woman. Jijabai was the mother of Shivaji, the legendary Maratha king and warrior who was strong against the Mughal Empire. Jijabai was born on 12th January 1598. Jijabai was married to an early age to Shahaji Bhosle, son of Maraji Bhosle of Feral village. Jijabai has inherited knowledge of politics and warfare from her infancy. Jijabai was a freedom-loving person, like a great sense of pride. Jijabai was praying to God for son he could establish the rule of his own people, Swaraj. Jijabai gave birth to the son Shivaji. Jijabai used to tell him stories of many pious persons and sons. She was bringing up Shivaji with that idol. Jijabai Bhosle was the true guide and guru in Shivaji Maharaj's life. She was undoubtedly a great woman and a strong mother and a role model for today's women. Thank you.